Uy, nandito pala kayo. I'm just relaxing here in my beautiful interior design space. And hopefully, sana kayo rin. Pero I know naman na not all of us can afford interior designers. So sometimes we have to do it ourselves. So paano nga ba yun? How do we do that? Well, honestly, you're in luck because this video is gonna be an interior design crash course. I'm gonna give you tips on how to nail all your design ideas.
Sa pagsikat at pagtugtog ng araw, mundo man ay tumigil sa pagkalaw. Sa Mandawi Phone lang, Mandawi Phone, Mandawi Phone lang, Mandawi Phone.
Focus on your theme and style. Get it in your head. This is a very important part of the planning process. If you don't focus on a certain style and theme, there will be chaos. And when you bring your furniture together, it would look uncoordinated and it will not have harmony. Having a color scheme and style in mind will help you stay on track and build your home easily. Every artist has their own inspirations. Gather your inspiration. Go to websites like Pinterest or interior design magazines. By looking at different ideas, you slowly put the pieces together in your head and build your own design from that. Put your chosen pegs down and create a mood board so you have your thoughts organized. What you can do for a large mansion, you can't do for a small studio apartment. What you can do for a small studio apartment, you can't do for a large mansion. You have to be realistic in terms of designing because decorating your space is a long-term investment as well. You just don't want to spend money for a decorating job that doesn't work well. My advice, take measurements and see your space for what it is and work around it. It's also very important to have enough room for traffic and other activities. Keep your space balanced, but remember, balance doesn't always mean symmetry. Your designing style can be asymmetrical and still have balance. All you have to do is look at the weight of things. Take this one for example. It's not mirrored, but it's still balanced because the right and left side have equal weight visually. This side has fewer objects, but they're larger and heavier. On this side, on the other hand, it has more objects, yes, but it complements the opposite side because they're smaller and lighter objects. We must make sure that all elements in your home come together harmoniously. No matter if your furniture is from different stores, pero sana Mandawi, or has different colors, design, or material, they can work together to create a unified idea and in result brings a calm ambiance. Have enough storage units and stowaway boxes to keep various items just like clothes, hooks, and shoe racks. Reduce as much clutter as you can. Remember, being clean also means not overcrowding your space with furniture that you like. Sometimes you have to make sacrifices so you can still have room to move around in your home. If it's too full, it can feel congested and you will lose comfort. I hope you learned a lot from our interior design crash course, and thank you for watching our video. Please click like, subscribe, and comment on what kind of videos you want us to do next. Also, don't forget, here's your prize.
Ito na ang comment of the week.